for deadly immigration pitfalls to avoid.
Hello, greetings. I'm lawyer Edwin Fogel. I have practiced immigration and other areas of the law in the United States for the past 28 years. Today, I want to revisit a topic that I touched on in one of my videos. And the reason I'm bringing this topic up again is because we are seeing many foreign nationals fall prey to these, what I call four immigration deadly sins or deadly pitfalls. Now, what are these? These are immigration violations and other violations that will permanently bar you from obtaining any immigration benefits in the United States. In other words, if you commit one of these, you will never be able to secure legal status in the United States. Now, the first is presenting yourself as a U.S. citizen or voting. Now, if you present documentation or you appear to present yourself as a U.S. citizen and it is determined that that was false, you can never apply and obtain any legal status in the United States. That is considered a permanent bar. Secondly, if you apply for asylum and an immigration judge determines that your application is frivolous, in other words, the application was fabricated and not truthful, if that determination is made, that will permanently bar you from obtaining any other legal status, not just asylum, any other immigration benefits. And thirdly, if you commit a marriage fraud, in other words, if you enter into what is immigration calls a sham marriage, that is a marriage that is entered into solely for immigration purposes or to circumvent immigration laws. If your marriage is determined to be a sham marriage, that can affect your immigration status permanently. You will not be able to obtain any other legal status based on that. And finally, aggravated felonies. Aggravated felonies are certain crimes that have been determined by immigration under U.S. immigration laws to be permanent bars. And it is important to note in this vein that some crimes that at state level are not really felonies, for immigration purposes are considered aggravated felonies. So it's important to understand these four bars to legal status. I thought this was necessary. And if you have any questions regarding this, please do not hesitate to contact us. You can call us on 301-608-1555, or you can send us an email to info@fogamlaw.com. And as always, do not fear the system. Understand it, work with it, and benefit from it. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a review in the comments.